Today's question is maximum product of a splitted binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, split the binary tree into two subtrees by removing one edge such that the product of the sums of the subtrees is maximized. Okay, and then return the maximum product of the sums of the two subtrees, and the answer may belong. Return it modulo. Okay, now you need to maximize the answer by taking the mod, not taking it. So we have been given a binary tree. So suppose we cut this edge, so it is split into two subtrees, and then we have to take the product of the both the trees and multiply it and return the maximum product which we get. So for this we have to do the DFS traversal. So what logic we can use, like first calculate the total sum of the whole tree, and then then calculate the sum of the subtree, whichever is you are removing, and then for doing the product you need one sum of the another subtree also. For that we can simply subtree sum from the total sum, and we will get the sum of the other subtree, and then we can do the product of that. So let's first define the modulo power 9 plus 7. Okay, define this. Okay, now let's define answer. Let's put it as 0 first, and now let's calculate total sum of the tree. So define DFS at node, not let's put it not DFS, let's put as total sum node. So if not node, we can simply return 0, else return node dot val plus node dot total sum of, we are calling the recursion here, so node dot left plus total sum of node dot right. Now simply calculate the value. So total is equal to total sum at, pass the root here. So we have got the total sum. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the subtree sum. So let's create a DFS function. Suppose this is a tree, okay, 1 2 4 5 3 6. Then we are doing in a way like if we are going to 2, then we are cutting the upper edge, and we are calculating this as a subtree sum, and rest is this. We are always cutting the above edge. So we can simply go DFS node, if not node, return 0. So we will be using here post order traversal, because when we are calculating the sum of, suppose this node 2, then we must know the what is the sum of the left side, what is the sum of the right side. So for doing that, we first do the post order traversal, like first get this and then sum up with this. So simply first calculate the left sum is equal to DFS of node dot left, then right sum is equal to DFS of node dot right. And when we get this sum, we can simply calculate the subtree sum as node dot value plus left sum plus right sum. And once we have got this subtree sum, we can simply calculate the product. And how can we get the product? Product will be simply the multiplication of subtree sum and multiplication with other subtree sum. And other, what will be the other subtree sum? It will be total minus subtree sum. Now we have to calculate the maximum. So let's our function know what is answer. Non-local answer. Okay, answer we have this. We have created a variable answer here. So answer is equal to max of answer comma product, and then we can simply return subtree sum. Now simply call the DFS at the root level and then return answer modulus mod, and I think this should work. Let's try to run this. Yeah, now let's try to submit this. Yeah, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you.